Hi, families. Are you with me on feeling like there is just so much to learn this week? Hang in there. You are doing great. One of the things that has been difficult for families is knowing, has my child done all of the work they need to do for the week? So, since there is no one place in Canvas that you can go to see what is left that needs to be done, I'm going to show you what is available. On each course homepage, there is a to-do this week list. Some of these are tests and quizzes. Some of these are assignments for the tests and quizzes. If I click here on drawn to count down, drawn to count on, okay, it brings me right to the quiz. If your child has done the quiz, the answer bubble will be filled in. You will have these little flags for questions that are either wrong or unanswered. Quizzes and tests can be taken as many times as a student wants to take them. I want your very best scores here. That doesn't mean you have to get them all right. Just know what your best is. If it feels like you did the most you could, then that is a time to stop. All right, I'm going to take you back to the math homepage. We checked to see if that assignment was done. Great. Now we're going to go into Double the Fun. Double the Fun is a paper assignment that needs to be submitted, and you're going to get to this screen and you're going to say, what? There is no assignment here. Yes, that would be too easy. I would love it if the assignments were on the submission pages, but they are not. If you're not sure you've done it, hit this previous button to go into the lesson. At least for now, those paper assignments are going to be on the last page of the lesson. So go up here to 1 of 8. Hit that little down triangle. Click on the last page of the lesson. It'll bring you to the screen. What is my assignment? It is time to show what you know. Complete the activity Double the Fun. Here it is to print out. Print it out. Your child does their very best. Then you can either go here to this next button to bring you back to the submission page, or right back here on your math homepage. That's how we originally got to the Double the Fun submission page. I'm going to click on it. This one says resubmit. Yours would just say submit. It says that because I was playing around with it. I'm going to bring you back home, walk you through it. Friends makes 10. Friends make 10s. That is a test or quiz. It's going to be right there on the screen. Pattern ride, rides in reverse. Those are paper assignments that will need to come to me. I'm going to walk you through that one more time. You're welcome to hit stop if you don't think you need to see it again. I'm going to click on pattern ride. The assignment is not right there. I'm going to go into the... All right, so what's happening here is things have to be done sequentially. So if you get to something like this, what you're finding is your child has not actually done the lesson that needs to be done. That's definitely not something to skip. So you would do that lesson. My apologies that this is the screen that you've gotten up. But again, what you would do is there will be no paper assignment here. You'll go previous to get into the lesson. You'll go up to get to that last page of the lesson, find the assignment, print it out, and then you can come back to the submission page by going right here. Remember, math is the only course that has assignments that need to be submitted to me, printed out, saved, and then submitted. There are 3 of them. The rest of the courses have tests and quizzes. Please check to make sure that everything has been done. On Saturday, I will be sending out little notices if there are things that you missed. Don't panic if there were. Again, this is the first week. Everyone is doing fantastic.